Okay, so here we go. This is Matt's little creation, designed to keep the bookcase dry. And as you can appreciate, being full of books, water is always a major problem. Check this out though, look at that. There's a lady here wants to go in. Is she going to go in or not going to go in? No, she's not going to go in. Ooh, keep going. This is exciting, isn't it? A bit of drama on the high street of Hebden Bridge. Okay. So, and there we go. And so, what's the idea behind this then, Matt?
Reduce the pressure on the windows.
Ah, and that just comes to the top of the flood line there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's okay, darling, fine.
So, that's cool. And there you can see, it's all levers and pulleys, I suppose.
Yeah. 12-volt ring.
And so where'd you get the idea from? Just classic.
I looked at the sign and I thought, God, that's good. That'll make a good floodgate. A few little bits to polish up on it.
Yeah, but this is the classic good old British invention.
Yeah.
So here we are in Hebden Bridge's pride and joy, the fabulous bookcase, and this is Kate, who's the boss. What do you think of Matt's amazing sign outside then?
I'm absolutely amazed by it. I mean, I knew what was coming. I mean, I had every faith in Matt to produce something amazing piece of engineering, and he's certainly done that. I know he's had more than a few sleepless nights, and I'm so glad it just works perfectly. What can I say? It's wonderful.
Let's hope we never need it, eh?
Well, yes. Let's fingers crossed we never actually have to use it in anger.
Thank you.